Okay, now today I gonna teach you how to open the OLE object inside a document where this document is cannot be opened by Microsoft Word or Office 2016. So the best way to do this is if you want to retrieve the item, okay, you need to open the document. Let's say my is a cross instance account report 1.0, and then this is the sample report that I need to open. So just double click it, and then you can see this is the unknown file type. Okay, and then when you click open, you got this kind of the problem. Wham! Slam down on your head. Okay, it says that this file does not have an app associated with it. For performing this action, please install an app, or if one is already installed, create a new association in the default app setting page, which is that doesn't work. Sounds legit, but doesn't work. Okay, so what you have to do is you need to close your Word. Close it, don't save. Okay, and then goes to so goes here, make a copy of it, make a copy of an original file from an original file. So make a copy and click copy and then paste at the same place. Okay, it will show you there's an indicator copy behind there, and then when you double click, you can see all sorts of the file here. Okay, this one is your target. Close it back, and then you need to rename it. Okay, you need to rename it. You need to rename as a zip file. Okay, don't worry about if you're changing a file name extension, this file might become unusable. Don't worry about it. Just click yes, and then if you have a WinRAR or WinZip, you can open as a zip file. You can double click this one, it will open, or you can yeah, just open it. Open it. Okay, now this is the best part. Okay, when you open a Word document turn to zip, when you open that kind of things, you have several folder embedded to that document. Let's say these are the root file, or the top layer of that file, which is that we have a rel, docprop, word, and content type.xml. Okay, now go to Word. Okay, and then you will see the embeddings, media, and theme. Yeah, so the embedding is the folder where you embed something, embed object inside that Word document. Okay, remember, embeddings folder is the place where you embed an object to the file or to the Word document. Okay, the media is the object that something other than text, but it category as a PNG, JPG, video, music, and so on inside the media. Okay, and then theme, what kind of theme that you implement, apply onto the document. Okay, now in this case, I want to take the object that I cannot open. So go to the embeddings, and then it will say this is an object one, blah 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 blah. Okay, so copy this object. If you have a several object, you copy all and get it out. Push. For my case, I put it on the desktop. Okay, paste here, and then I will open it as a notepad or notepad plus plus. You can open it as a notepad plus plus. Okay, as you can see here, you got the blah 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 blah, blah all this kind of things. Okay, but this is not proper enough, but it will keep you going where it will keep you displaying the data that you have. Okay, now the second method is much more easier than the first method. Is when you go to your Word document, let's say this is I delete this first. Okay, when you open your Word document and then you browse through the object, right click on this object, on your desired object. For me it's a BLPM and so on, and then click the properties file. Okay, when you click the properties file, you get the file name, here, and then you got this location, right? You got this location and also the file name. Okay, copy this location. Okay, copy, goes to your blah 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 blah, let's say this PC. Just paste it on top of the, paste the location on top of this box, inside of this box, and press enter. Okay, when you press enter, you goes to the temp folder of the Windows. Okay, you go to the temp folder of the Windows. It will show you a bunch of lists. Yes, a bunch of lists. But for easy filtering, just go to the date modified. Search for today. There's a today, meaning that this is 14th of October. And then search the file name. What is my file name? It is saying that this is a BFRRR cross instant account report. It's the same. Okay, it's the same. Right click, edit with notepad. You will have a proper, let me close it. You will have a proper file displayed to you. Okay, instead of you have some symbols and so on inside the document, inside the object that you need to be open, this one is much more clean for you to see what kind of data inside that file. Okay, so now we come to an end of this tutorial. I hope you can benefit from this. In case of something happen to your document or you cannot open, this is the way. Okay, see you next time around.